1, go! And in this match, on the red side of the field, give it up from Solon Middle School, it's 50-62 Mechanary. They are joined by another mechanical team on the Red Alliance from Durant High School, 10082 Mechanicats. Over on the blue side, from Danville Community School, 12745 Long John Launchers.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And last but not least, on the blue Alliance, give it up for Team 8743 Raw Bacon. We are well into this match. We saw some scoring during the times. 3 artifacts in for each. Now 4 equally matched. These two alliances are 10082, firing 2 more purple for the Red Alliance. 50-62, they're lining up with the purple and the green. That's 8743. It's 1 in for blue, and now a second score. 12745 for the Blue Alliance. Now over the blue secret tunnel zone. Playing awfully close to that. The teams have been careful to not touch the game of the opposing alliance color. Blue needs to stay away from red, red needs to stay away from blue if they want to avoid those foul points that we've seen here so far. We are seeing lots of different mechanisms in this match as 10082 Mechanicats release their artifacts. 48 seconds left. They're going to want to try to refill that ramp, look for some power impact to the match potentially. And 8743. Get ready to load up. 3 now ready for that. It's 12-7-45 on the 2-inning round. 50-62. Getting ready to launch the ball in the last moments of the match. 10 seconds left. Final artifact is flying in. The Blue Alliance has a full ramp. Purple, green, purple, all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, controllers down. Give it 1, go. Okay, 10082 Mechanicats. Back up, look at the launch. 1, 2, 3, up the ramp. All 6 scored by the Blue Alliance. Nice job, everybody. Moving off that launch line, gets them 3 points apiece. It gets them closer to that movement RP. If both the robots can get halfway into their box at the end of the match, they'll earn themselves that ranking point.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go, 15-55. Launch in. So teams have to be within one of the launch zones to be able to launch these artifacts. That's why it's He's trying to get something going here. 11-7-21, attempting to get some artifacts launched. They're a little bit caught up in the robot. A couple artifacts bouncing across for the Wildlands. Hey, one makes it in by 60-72. Wildbound Robotics.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
No range out of control. 3 robots on the move so far. Let's watch trying to get those back in line, and now they're rocking and rolling. A very common mechanism we've seen this year is the flywheel. Flywheel is a nice big spinning wheel in the robot. The robot pumps the ball, the artifact into it. It punches in those flywheels and it launches out at a very high velocity. As you can see, the similar teams in this match, 60-72. 2 sets of super fast spinning flywheels. And then a couple that can hit the artifact into those flywheels to launch it out. 3 artifacts apiece for the red and the blue lines. As an additional artifact that's dropped in the 11-7-21. 12-7-45. A super flywheel design. And just a way for the artifact to ride it out. Looks to be working pretty well. As they slowly move back towards the blue side of the field to pick up some more artifacts. Looks like they're all on the blue side of the field. Of communicating with both teams and loading up what they need. 60-72. Wildbound Robotics for the Wildlands. Now the 3 artifacts ready to run. They fire from the far side of the field. Seconds of the match. 3 more artifacts up and in for red. Purple, purple, green is the pattern. 3, 2, 1. Go! 1, 2, 3. Up and in on the blue side of the field by Unavailable Robotics. Of course, they did that. Purple, green pattern has been doing all through today. Another 3 go in. They can get these last 3 up and in, they'll earn themselves the pattern RP. Purple, purple, green. Blue Alliance loads it up, earns themselves the pattern RP. Nice job.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Robotics unloading their winner to make it more easily available. 3 points apiece. All those artifacts are going if they go directly to the winner. If they roll over the top, only 1 point apiece. And here it looks like Tiny Robotics are not too concerned about the color that they have or about indexing. We've seen that they've been clearing out the land multiple times throughout the match, and there we go. We can see another set of points. They're up to 18 artifacts for the Blue Lines. The goal RP set at 6 artifacts, so they're all halfway there. Looking at 4 full cycles here during the match. Going themselves a goal RP. More artifacts being placed in now by 367. 12-7 They were up to 164 points, looking to push it even further. That high score could be theirs. 3 more up and in. 3 purples. 3, 2, 1. 1, go. Artifacts up and in. Triple, green, triple for the Red Alliance. Long draw launchers, very easily launching those in their goal. Blue Alliance has got one lead, but the other one went a little bit too far, crossed on that back launch line.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Getting that in. 67 one more in their possession is 15:55. It's a nice shot from the middle. Go!
He said I can't work box.
67 is lined up. The high blocking launcher, watch out. They're heading to the goal.
Andy closed up shoes.
12:7:45, just short on that one. 2 artifacts in for blue, a third one just up and over the top.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we are on the moon. 42:37, looking to launch up and into the red goal. Blue team in play. Placing those artifacts in for Wild Bottle Robotics, team 6072.
Why can't I use open toe shoes?
For team 532, Eagle Box looking to try to get
That's
their
why
launch
there's
on.
balls.
We've got 2 artifacts in their possession. Just got to get up and into that ramp.
Such a weird board.
Another artifact launched in by 1672. That makes 5 for the Blue Lions. .4337 is heading back over with a mark on the 3 artifacts. Trying to score their first and their second of the match. Artifacts being launched by 6072. Wild Bottle Robotics from the front side of the field into the blue goal. Neither Blues quite making it in as 42-37 finding some success, securing all three of their artifacts. And Blue is now in overflow territory here. 12-7-45. Now pressing that gate, releasing those artifacts and get down to the last 20 seconds of the
Why'd
match.
they do that? They
They
don't.
release them, but at the end game they wanted them for the
Yeah.
just cost themselves points.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're still winning.